hairstyles for long hair, and this week it's going to be 3 top bun hairstyles. Begin by making a very high ponytail. For me, it's easiest to flip my hair forward and tie the ponytail like that because my hair is so heavy it will never be as high if I just hold it high and tie it off while standing normally. Now twist your ponytail and wrap it around the ponytail base. Keep twisting and wrapping until you run out of hair. Then tuck your ends underneath the bun. You can secure it in place however you like, but I'll show you how to do it with a hair stick. Just point the hair stick towards your scalp when inserting it on one side of the bun, scoop up some hair, push it through the bun towards the other side, and go back up. Again, make a high ponytail. And if you're liking this video so far, please click the like button. Divide your ponytail into 2 equal strands. Twist the right strand towards you and bring it over the left strand. Pull the left strand to the right and twist it towards you. Bring the right strand over the left strand. Keep repeating these steps, twisting both strands in the same direction and bringing them over each other in the opposite direction. This creates a rope braid. I find it the easiest when I bring the strands over my shoulder right away. When you reach the end, tie it off with a hair elastic. Then wrap your rope braid around the ponytail base, tuck the ends underneath the bun and secure it. Make another high ponytail. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos in the future. ponytail into 3 strands. Bring the right strand over the middle strand, and then bring the left strand over the middle strand. You're just doing a basic braid here. Continue to repeat these steps until you run out of hair, and then tie off with a hair elastic. Wrap your braid around the ponytail base, tuck the ends underneath the bun, and secure it.
Enjoyed these tutorials. If you did, I have an entire playlist with all kinds of hairstyles and also some hair care tips for you to check out, and I will link them here. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!